Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today we're going to start off some oregano. What they're saying here on the package is to start this 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. So that's about the time that is right for me, so I'm going to start these off. Now because these are so small, I'm going to just start them off in these little food containers that I buy. I get 200 of them in a little bag. Anyway, I'm going to get some of these in. These seeds are super small. I'll just pour some out and show you what they look like. They are absolutely, look at this, how small they are. Amazing. It's amazing that you can have something grow like that, that is, you know, from something so small. I can't even tell how many I'm putting in here. They are so small. Wow. And whatever grows, grows. They're hard to even get off my hand. Wow. There we go. I don't even know how many I put in there. But let's try this out for a little bit of a test. I'll move this around. I don't think I've seen seeds as small as that ever. I mean, they're the size of grains of pepper. Just like that. I'm going to take a little bit of water. So I think I didn't say the date. Today is April the 11th. So that looks good. Hopefully that's okay. I may just add, I'm just going to add a little bit of topping on here. Now you see what that can do also is that can suck up some of the moisture that I've already put down. But I think it'll be okay, just like that. There we go. Okay. So oregano, or oregano, I don't know how we pronounce it, oregano up here in Canada. So that's that. I've also started off watermelon seeds, and I just started those off about 10 minutes before shooting this video. So that's it for this really fast video. Today is April the 11th. When we get some progress going, I will come back with updates. So that's it. Thanks for watching.